here we are at this elevator.
We're at 100 East Walton, I guess.
Walton, yeah, 100 East Walton.
This is a very interesting elevator.
Yeah.
It's a Dover Impulse.
It's a Dover
Impulse.
And it's got oval inch line plus, and then
it has, this might give you a hint of what's inside.
yeah, and then it's got atoms on the inside.
Designer, but it gets weirder.
Oh yeah, it gets weirder.
At a 5.
400A.
Yeah, it's a Schindler.
Or not maybe TXpress.
TXR5.
Still, but what? What is this? This is so weird. Hello?
Is that what I want? No.
Yes.
Lobby, I guess. Janice phone, bunch of phone numbers, Schindler sticker in there. Actually, that goes. Padded elevator. What's underneath the padding? Newer reductive.
It's got the Dover lantern. That's still there.
There's an impulse lantern still.
Bro, what is this fire bell?
It's a weird bell.
Yeah.
I think part is broken. Cleaning person left a vacuum in there. They might be in the building somewhere.
Anyway. And that's it.